Managing reports. Also, with the reports we have two main ways to start them. Either via the application view, the logical view from the related items, or a node selection in the system browser. For the time being, we are and will remain in the application view. In the Reports folder, the different report templates available are grouped together, as we see here, and can vary depending on the project. For now, we will continue with the reports of the rooms on the first floor, which we already know. The history shows us all the reports that we created with this user. We can select the different reports at any time, and the values shown in the table were recorded exactly at the time when the report was created. All reports in the history are stored in the project. The ellipsis menu gives us the possibility to download the report, preview it, or delete it from the project. By downloading the report, we get a PDF file that we can use for other purposes. By previewing the report, it will be selected and displayed in the view area. If we choose to delete, the report will be deleted from the history in the project. Report creation is triggered by this self-explanatory and well-highlighted button with drop-down menu. We can create reports in PDF or Excel format or both together. We first create an updated report of the rooms on the first floor in PDF format. This will be displayed briefly with a generation until it changes to a report with date and time. The content of the PDF report is immediately displayed in the view area. Next, we trigger a report in Excel format. Since Excel is not embedded in the report viewer, the tool provides us with a download. We run it, open the Excel file, and get a corresponding report. We use the third variant and get a drop-down menu containing both reports. Reports can also include graphic pages and trend charts, as we can see here. The template of this report has been inserted accordingly with these attributes. For the workflow over the logical view, we take the triggered alarms to help. Then, we briefly switch to event handling. Select the thermoelectric overload event. Navigate directly to the graphic via the event source icon and see in the system browser that the corresponding node is selected. In the related objects, we select the active events report, after which the report viewer opens in the secondary pane. Unlike before, where the report viewer was opened in the primary pane, in the secondary pane only the history area appears. Again, we are shown the report name, and this time we see that the report will run in the context of the thermoelectric overload. When starting the PDF report, we see that the report has the corresponding object name. When selecting the report, the view area with the report appears in the secondary view, showing only the one active alarm. Due to the selected node in the system browser, the report was automatically filtered only on this object. With this arrow, we return to the history area and select the report again, the report appears back. Or we change the view size of the report viewer and get both areas at a glance. To better understand the filtering, we select the node of the ventilation system. We see that the indication, run in the context of, is unchanged. We update the filter only by reselecting the report in the related items. In the newly created report, there are now two active events, both from the ventilation system. If we now select the top node and run the same workflow, we will get all active alarms in the report. We have now run 3 identical reports with different starting points and consequently applied other filters. There is more detailed information about this topic in the online help. As usual, The topics can be found in the step-by-step instructions or in the references. We invite you to check out the other reports as well. Finally, we end the Chapter 7 here and invite you to discover the next Chapter 8 about the document viewer.